In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate an automation in HoneyBook. Reuse Workflows 2026. Start by opening your browser and heading to honeybook.com. This process works best on a desktop or laptop so you can clearly see the full workspace. Once the site loads, sign into your HoneyBook account using your usual credentials. If you're prompted for any security verification, like a code or a confirmation step, go ahead and complete that to continue. After a moment, you'll land on your main dashboard. From here, look to the left side of the screen. That vertical panel is your primary navigation. It's where you'll find all the key areas of HoneyBook, and it's what we'll use to get to your automations. Find and click on Automations in that left sidebar. This opens the Automations area where you manage the workflows that power your client processes. You'll now see your list of automations. Each item here represents a sequence you've already set up. Things like emails, delays, tasks, and triggers. Take a moment to locate the automation you want to reuse. If you have a lot of workflows, scan the list carefully and make sure you're picking the correct one, especially if you maintain variations for different services or stages. When you found the automation you want to duplicate, look for the 3 dots icon associated with that specific workflow. Click those 3 dots to open a small menu, then choose Duplicate. HoneyBook will instantly create a copy of that automation for you and take you straight into the editor view of the duplicate. Inside the editor, you'll see the same structure as the original: steps, emails, delays, and any triggers carried over. This is a good place to review what copied over so you know exactly what this duplicate contains. If you plan to use the duplicate for a new offer, a different client journey, or a seasonal campaign, this is where you can make adjustments so it fits that purpose. Remember, you're working on the duplicate now, not the original, so any changes you make here won't affect the workflow that's already in use elsewhere. That's all there is to it. You went to honeybook.com, logged in, navigated to automations through the left sidebar, found the automation you want to reuse, clicked the 3 dots, and selected Duplicate, which opened the editor for your copied workflow. Duplicating lets you move faster while keeping your processes consistent, so you can maintain quality without rebuilding from scratch every time.